Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Friday. Let's see what the day holds for us.
Hey guys, welcome back.
I
Happy
guess
Friday.
the sounds looking good there. Right, let's see, where are we? Okay, so that trade from last night didn't play out. Leave that line there. Literally didn't got, I think 2 hours. I mean, yeah, we didn't follow through this 1, 2, 3. So now we just need to see what's going to happen today. Okay, so I see, regardless of how many liquidity we've got lower down, I see these are equal. I look at this as a magnet. I mean, that's a magnet, that's a magnet. So there's opportunity for the upside here. So I want to see, this is the 15 minutes, so I'll drop down to a 1 minute. We are in a, I think this is a bit of a bearish move still. So a lot needs to happen for us to go up there. So we're going to sit and wait and see what we get. This could be a pullback to come down again. But I'm going to wait till the market actually opens so we can see what that translate, how that changed or how that actually. Okay, so we making equal highs here. Okay, so we've got equal highs here. So I'm gonna look at, okay, that's what we marked out there. This is the closest one, yes. It's this. I think we got a big opening gap. I'm just gonna mark this out to see. Big gap. This is the gap where price is now. That is one hell of a gap. That's about almost 500 point gap. I don't know if we're gonna run up the page to take that. But hey, we keen to see what's happening here. We're breaking these equal highs. Now let's see. Okay, so this looks to be almost good entry. Remember, 15-minute is bearish. So keep that in mind. The 1 hour is bearish. Although there's liquidity here, maybe we see price go up there. And this is what we look at. This is the high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Is this going to be a lower high and then come down, refuse to break to go higher, or are we just going to continue that rhythm down? Okay, but for now we are in here. Okay, here we go. This could have been a nice entry right there in that fair value gap. Hey man, how are you? I mean, this looks like a nice entry. We close above these equal highs and retesting in this fair value gap. It's equal highs up there, but I'm very cognizant that we are bearish on the 15-minute and 1 hour. So I'll be careful. And like we see now, make high, shift up. We close down here, it could be an opportunity to take a short. Let's see, there's a big gap down. We need to make sure this is all right. Okay, so that opening gap's quite large, so doesn't always have to go to 50% of that. I mean, this is a big rejection here. This one. Running this low. As juicy as this long, looks great here for that. Gotta wait. Only 2 minutes in. We could take that week out. Yep, we wait. I don't even know where the, so there's the bigger VWAPs over there. Like I said, I mean, this week with this looked all very nice and bullish. We know 50-minute and 1 hour is still very bearish. And some people would take the long year having that inside with this nice rejection wick. And then this can happen. Because this is all liquidity. It could come all the way down. There's liquidity here as well. So that is exactly why we wait and not rush into the trades. Okay, so let's see. Well, there's still time left. Looks like a good long, then you must take the long. It's not looking like a long for me. Looks like a consolidation for me. Remember, 15-minute, 1 hour is bearish. Maybe it is a long. I don't know. I'm just saying, for me, it's not. Even if it goes up, it's too early. I need to wait for this first 15 minutes. Yeah, I guess if you go 1 hour, I mean, 1 hour has been down, 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 down. So we need to see what happens here. I mean, there's liquidity right here. If we continue down, I mean, liquidity lower down. So that's the 1 hour. 15-minute is also refuse to take those highs, break lower, pull back, break lower, pull back, break lower, pull back, break lower, now pull back. Now we either need to violate this to go the other direction, or we're going to continue down to this area down here. This one here. So let's see. That's why when you're in your 1 minute, you've got to be careful. That's what I'm saying. These wicks are there to trap you. And again, I mean, I noticed you set the 15-minute order block. One thing I can tell you with testing, not every down candle in the push away is an order block. That I can tell you, and I'll guarantee that. Right, so we're busy taking these lows out now. Okay, so we all know where this is. Down, down, down. Right, so we need to see how this close. So I'm looking at this and I'm thinking this could be interesting. There's a fair value gap here. No fair value gaps up there. So we could see a spike higher if we want to go lower here. Or we just consolidate. I think this is a risky short anyways, and I'll show you guys why I say that. I know there's liquidity down here, and it might play out. Might play out. We push down 1, 2, 3, and now it's very close. This was the longest drop between this one and down here. So now this could go sideways, maybe spikes, whatever. This is a level 3. So I need to wait and see how price actually reacts here. It's not a real gap. I don't know why it's doing that. And I was just looking at this, that it ran these liquidity and now it's switching. I'm gonna get that candles right. I like to see gaps like this. See if we can scalp something here. Two minds with this thing. Just leave it if it doesn't. Alright, so now we just have to sit and wait. That's what I'm gonna do. So you'd be targeting these lows here, that pullback. And this was the pullback I was looking at. So a bit of drawdown, and now it's coming down. Yep, equal lows down here. There's equal lows, these ones. So this is a liquidity, but this is equal lows. The reason I'm not taking this trade is we could go down there, but this is level 3, so you could see a bit of a sideways move here. And maybe we wait for that 15-minute candle to close first. So we can see that's the high, that's the low. One more candle left. And this could stay within this low still. And this is the range. That's 50% right there at the VWAP. Yep, price action's a bit uglier. We might see a push down now, the next candle through this low. But there's nothing in here for me to do anything yet. Right, so that 15-minute it went up, closed back down. So it just wants to come back up. There's a family gap. I think this might just go for that target down there. I would like to see something back into this fair value gap. If we don't go there now. I'd like to see us come back up here just to test this and then drop. And maybe I just don't get it. Go on. You can do it. Okay. Now let's see if we get down there. Or is this one of those that we return back to pricking up there? I don't know. Gosh. Can you believe this? We just leave all liquidity there and then we reverse. How amazing is that? The momentum is definitely going down towards that. And then this, you guys must do the opposite what I do. Looks like it. Here already said a short was a good one. Didn't take it. Waited for it to come back and now it's reversing, and that's why I also said this is level 3. This is a bit of a risky one. But at this point you would think we're going to get there, right? Just refuse. Oh my word. Can you believe it? Now the internet's going to go wow, because everybody got this inversion and it was a super trade. And I wonder now, what I do want to see is, am I looking at something that was run? No, it wasn't. Okay. I'm just making sure. That's what happened the last time. Just so everybody know, 1 hour and 15 minutes, both are bearish. And what do you know? We're probably going to sell off now. Well, so this is the macro, right? We like right here at liquidity. We're right there. I mean, you would think if we start moving down to it and we're so close, we should run it. But obviously it doesn't seem like it's working. So I must tell you guys, in the last 6-7 weeks, we've been trading to liquidity. We've been trading to liquidity, and right at it, boom, go to liquidity, boom, and then we stuck here. And then when everybody packs up and go home, we run both sides. I think the main rule is you got to wait for liquidity to get run. So if you bearish, you got to wait for price to give you a setup up here. I mean, this was just clearing these lows. These other liquidity is still holding. And this liquidity is from way back when. But yeah, it's one of those things. These are these. If we close above here, then I think we might see something else. 1 hour still pretty much bearish. And 15 minutes got a nice, what you call it. Now it's just making low, higher low, higher low. So what do you know? Maybe we run all of this liquidity out first. Okay, so this is where we are now. See if we return back down here. see if we can get picked up on these things. So fair value gap there, but you want to see it. We're probably going to go higher to bring that 50% in this fair value gap. Now we're getting close. Perfect tap to the 50% there. See if we're going to get picked up here. Okay. Little equal highs here. If I get stopped out here, I'm not taking any other trades because this is ridiculous now. There it works, there it doesn't. There it works, there it doesn't. I mean, I should have known. It's level 3, guys. That's what I said. It's level 3. Why am I trading in a level 3? Just go from the one side to the other side. Not do nothing. Yep, Wednesday's low. It lines off with that low there. I mean, this is crazy, but it's true. So let's see. I'm going to wait for that and then look for a long of that. And this is again, guys, 1, 2, 3, make a fourth one and go sideways violently. And if you go on a 1 minute on that, that's where you get chopped up. Like we see right now. And then we've got these equal highs here now. Guys, remember there's no PM session live stream today. All right, so we went down, we went up, we went down, we go up. Nothing that's good to trade. Not now, anyways. Let's see. Down, down, down. All right, so let's see. Are we doing anything? Are we winning? What the hell is going on? This is just shaking everybody. Pretty much stuck in that first 15-minute range, which is here, this range here. So at the bottom of it, but still stuck there. Guys, I'm not going to sit here the full hour till 11. I might jump off just before that, like 10 minutes before something. Okay, now we wait till we decide to do something. Come on. Maybe it's, well, we threw the macro now, so okay, let's see, let's wait. It's just holding that range for now. Nothing to do yet. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Yep. S&P is doing the same. Yes, it's doing the same. Dow is doing the same. Nasdaq is just more violent. So interesting that everybody's talking a similar tune today. Anything exciting for the weekend, guys? All right, so I mean, 15 minutes, we've got nice trend line liquidity. Come on, where are we going? Where are we going? Take us somewhere. Come on. Is that it now? Okay, let's see. Don't trust price right now. We don't know if we're going up or going down. I mean, this is good price action right here. Just to show you. Don't like where we are, but this is good price action. Manipulate, bounce off that, and running up there. That's a good rejection. Only problem is we just don't know if we can trust it. Right to the 50%. Perfect delivery. And everything that looks perfect in an imperfect world looks like it's playing out. Let's see if we're going to run these liquidity pools. That's a nice move. These equal highs lines up with the view up. Okay, so obviously if we close above there and we test this level like this week, but just the inverse of it, that would be look like a good thing to take some 10 points. I'm not taking it though. There's about 30 points there, so plenty space for 10 points. Okay, so let's see if that's going to be a test. If it pulls back and close above a white candle, then there could be a good chance that it's going to bounce higher. See, the minute that thing turns white, it's where you get your 10 points. So basically what it is, it's testing to go lower, it fails, testing and goes higher. Even on that pullback, these black pullbacks, so you buy it and take it back up to there. And even if you take it anywhere there, that's 21 points. All right, let's see what else is there. Lots of buy sides. Just take a buyer. It's 10 points there. Just to show you. That's 10 points. And you can go through all these equal highs. When you see this happens and there's more liquidity or some other, I mean, we can look at this now because we've got a lot of liquidity up here. I'm not saying we're going to run all of that, but we had a view up as well. So let's be careful on that as well. And the idea of this is that liquidity was resistance, broke through, now it becomes support to send us higher. Let's see that we tested, that's resistance. Now let's see if we can do the same thing. Okay, 413 equal highs. $413 is this one here, yeah. That is correct. I mean, like I said, there is lots of liquidity here, so. Alright, so let's see. Nice big candle here. Will we get a pullback in to test it, or will we just run off? Alright, we're either going to run up into all of that, or we're going to come down. Just missed it. Okay, let's see if we can do that or not. Okay, so we got close to the test there. And that would have been your 10 points. Little fair value gap right there. Give you more than 10 points on that bounce. On these 10 points, it's never home runs. It's never, I mean, you could use it as a long trade, but I mean, if you get close to that, that's already, I mean, that's 50 points. Just that move. And all you want is 10 points. That's like quick scalps. Looking for these things. Quick scalps. Alright, so let's see. Maybe we run London top. Our family gap. Maybe. So I'll jump to the 4-hour quickly. Just want to have a look at that. So I'll take all this off. Family gap is up there. We still got all these equal lows. It's a break on the 1 minute. Gosh. What I would love to see is us run this first, then break above here. I mean, there's so many breaker structures here. I mean, there's one right here for that low. Breakthrough, we came back, we test that. So if this is on the 1 minute, right? 2 to 50, that's a perfect protected low. Then that becomes the low. We never came back there. We're just pushing higher. So, I mean, you can mark these highs that gets broken as breaker structures. The problem is there's no pullback yet. And even if you do that and mark this lows, that could smash right back down here. And that could come all the way down to back to where we tested these. But for me, the way I look at it, so there's a lot of breaker structures. This is a break of structure, these equal highs. That tells me we want to go higher. And this is the low that initiated that. So that low to that high will take us back to this 50%. And we can actually have a look at it. See if we're going to pin this 50%. Stop will be down here. Come on. Give us that. Give me one more chance to enter this, or what? Or what? Okay. So my stop is right there. And then we can target this. These highs there. All right, let's see. Let's see what it's going to be. What's it going to be? Come on, you can bounce it. Now you want to, I know there's lots of liquidity up higher. What you got to do is go get it. I get stuck now. Let's go above that view up again. Hey, now price is struggling to move. Typical. Typical. Oh well. Let's see. Can it do it? Can it not? Would it want to? Bounce, bounce, bounce. Don't come down back in this consolidation, because that's just gonna kill everything. You can do it. You can do it. Let's drink some water. Did it help? A big chunk of water there, so let's see. This can make price grow higher. Go on. Keep prayed. Price is going to do what price is going to do, guys. Whether you pray or not, it's still going to do the same thing. So, okay, so that's better. It's above the VWAP. It's break a structure there. So now we want to see follow through. Yes, he's very religious. Look, I don't have problems with any trader out there. I will obviously not badmouth anybody. And because I don't care who you are, there's no perfect trader out there. Well, at the end of the day, God is using all of us as tools. Right, so funny guys sometimes. Look, if you need something, you don't have to take sleeping pills. Just pull one of his videos up and just listen to it. 5 minutes and you'll be in dreamland. 5 minutes. Yeah, so what I'm looking at price here, we're struggling to follow through. That's the part that I'm worried about. I mean, we bounced here and we're not following through to those highs even. So I wonder I don't like those pins. I need these to close above here to show that it's willing to go a little bit higher here. And this looks like Friday trap action. Can we get it? Can we get up there now? Come on. Looks better, but gotta push harder. Right, so we looking okay for now, I think. I'll have to get the 4 hour. Yeah. Well, just like the old days. Oh, let me tell you one thing. So in the old days, things moved much smoother. And of these tough days, there was far less of them. There's just now more of them. So we add that VWAP now, and we just sitting there. It's like we're waiting for something. Or the algo is waiting for something. I was thinking the same thing to put my stop here. But then I thought to myself, if I'm moving my stop here, I must just take profit. Because if I do that, we haven't break structures, nothing. So what's the point? Then you must just take money off the table. Because just in case, then you must take your profits. Just in case. Because if it comes back, you don't want to get stopped out. You'd rather take money out that's on the table. So he went nuts. Was he alone, home alone? Was his wife not there? And he goes nuts when his wife is not around. No, I don't think that 266 is protected because we haven't gone through this high yet. Was he screaming and high-fiving himself again? Oh, that guy is funny. All right, so let's see if we can get that follow through now. If I had to push my stop loss now, I'll just put it at break even. But like I said, if I had to do it, I'd rather take the money off. Because you want to move to break even or your stop lower here you're still at risk and you don't trust the trade anymore. So then you must rather take the money. Okay, so he's laughing at himself. You know he's bipolar, that guy. So maybe he didn't take his pills. Also, we must make our fortunes before we get messed up like that too. I don't know. Guys, this is not on for me. I'm actually going to take this money and run because let's see if we can get up there again. Because we are consolidating, building trend line here. So this could quite easily spike down. And I must stop still down here. But what if we come back all the way down here? Look, he did told me, ICT did told me a lot of things that I never understood. So I give him all the credit. His content was good. He just loses it every now and again. Alright guys, I'm 5 more minutes, then I'm gonna jump off and head into the weekend. So we get to that high, I'm out of this trade. We'll see if we want to get there, because now we're making these tiny ones. The minute I'm out, this thing will probably run 300 points. And you guys can then thank me later. Okay, I'm taking that $1,300 there. Right, let's see if I just release the beast to run higher. Yeah. I'm just worried. So we came down, consolidate. We pushed up, consolidate. We could come down again, consolidate, and then do some silly stuff later. Oh, I'll see. Don't like this. Don't like it. Let's see if we can bounce from here. See, can it do it? Equal lows. I mean, you're looking at this. such a tight range. If you're trading this little range, yes, then you'll mark it down. Got to follow a structure. Praying isn't going to help. When you wanted to run away from equal highs or equal lows, that's when it will run equal highs or equal lows immediately. Like that. This could quite easily bounce through that to test this. It's stuck between these two VWAPs. Dun, dun, dun. Dun. If price moves and it pullbacks and it struggles to move, follow through, then there's a problem. Then we're either going to get stuck. Like this, we pull back, we just didn't get through. I mean, yeah, we didn't get through. We tried again, we failed. We went up, we tried again, we failed. So this looks like a stupid sideways. That's why when it looks like this, rather take the money and walk away. Golden rule in the market: if the market doesn't move to where you want it to go, it doesn't have to be in one candle, but if it starts screwing around like this, then I mean, people might tell you, yes, it's accumulating to go higher or whatever. It's fine, but it also could mean that the market did not get what they need and they need more. They might screw around wider to collect more stops. Just keep that in mind. So you must always look at what can you learn. Okay, so we did touch that. This actually just ran that low and then bounced. See, now we might come down. So what we got ourselves in now, to show you, these equal highs over here and these equal lows, we're pretty much stuck in between. So what we ran was just internal range liquidity, and this external range is stuck. Hey guys, I think that's my cue. Price is not doing anything. I need to go. And yes, thanks for everybody that joined in. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Be safe. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Take care, guys. Thanks again. Bye-bye.